Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals, baked items, smoothies, healthy juices, and some vegan meals too. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle, so check out my videos on healthy lifestyle tips, self-care, home care, jewelry making, and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. Morning, everyone. I don't know how much time I have. I just decided to go live. I'm waiting on some people to start some work, so I decided I would go live. I have some stuff I want to talk about. So I guess this is a good time to really talk about that. One of the things I think a lot of us are struggling with right now is that we still haven't lost those pounds we gained at Christmas. So I thought I gained about 5 pounds, but then I went back to work and I was having a soda here, a soda there, having snacks which are not the snacks I should be having. And but I was exercising, so I'm still not sure if my weight gain is, I don't think my weight gain is just fat, but it is some muscle too. So but I won't know until I've lost that little fat around my tummy. So I'm just thinking, I'm not sure how much fat or how much muscle, because I wanted to gain some muscle on my legs. So but the thing that I have to do now is to cut the unhealthy snacks, cut the bad carbs totally, and get really strict. So I started that this week, because I usually get a little relaxed just before Lent, because then when Lent starts I give up all the things that I don't want. So I will usually get a little slimmer after Lent, so about in April go down back to August or so. I might put on a few pounds in mango season, and then all of us do that, get put on some weight in mango season. So I'm thinking, but right now my plan is, and I have started, so no more soda, so it's just water. Maybe I have 2 bottles of soda left in my house, so I'm gonna have one today because I'm gonna be out doing some very hectic standing up all day work, and I think I can just give myself that. But after the other one, the regular 16-ounce soda. So when that's done, no more soda for me right now. And you have to be careful of 3 evenings. Actually, I was working late and I had a lot of stuff to do, so I decided that I'm just gonna, when I reach home, I don't want to have to go in the kitchen at all. So what I did was I stopped and bought food. I bought those chicken sandwiches, which I think are okay, because you get a really big chunk of chicken breast in it. But then they give you a soda, and then they give you fries, and you say, oh, I'm just gonna have a cup of fries, but you're driving, and when the traffic is like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, you're stuck in the car with a pack of fries. So you end up munching on that, so you don't feel like the drive home is never ending. And then after that, then you end up eating all that. But that is just 3 evenings that happen, and I think that helped me to put on some weight. So unfortunately that is so, because I'm usually pretty good with my eating. I usually can get away with like a meal like that if I have it like a once a week. I can get away with having a meal, even a burger with fries or some other the fried chicken thing and a soda and fries. And then I usually eat at 12 at noon, my first meal. So I got a little relaxed since about just the other day. I started to have my tea at 10 and maybe have a little snack or so. So my snack now is usually, I'm just checking to see if the people are ready for me. My snack now is either a fruit or some nuts with my tea, and then I will eat a proper lunch. And then what I do, sometimes I divide my lunch in 2. I'm gonna show you. I discovered this place this week, and I get some really good lunches for a really good price. So that time I take in the mornings preparing lunch, I might not have to be doing that right now until I get tired of that food. But I have so much I have to do right now outside of cooking that any little thing I can do to get some extra time in, then that will be good for me. So back to us, how we're gonna lose those couple pounds before, or say over the next month or so. And I say maybe it's anywhere between 4 and 8 pounds, right? So you're gonna, if you want to have breakfast, then eat something healthy. You can have you have some very good breads that it's totally whole grain, not whole wheat, whole grain, and it has a lot of protein. Like I think it's either 4 or 8 grams of protein per slice. You could have a slice of that, or 2. It depends on how much you're exercising. If you're not exercising, then you don't really want to have too much bread. You can have an egg, preferably boiled or so, instead of frying it. But if you're frying, coconut oil is good for you too, because you need the healthy fats. The sun is coming in on my face now, so I'm trying to get this little frown line out of my face. It's just when I'm stressed. I have some really stressful work dealing with right now. And so you're gonna have that. If you want to have a mid-morning snack, you like rice cakes, we have a company in Jamaica now, National, actually has rice cakes. Normally you have to go into the health food store to get rice cakes, so you can eat like one rice cake with a little peanut butter or something like that for a snack. But I personally don't believe in having those unless you're really working out, lifting some weights, or you're running, or so, that 3 meals plus a day plus 2 snacks. Otherwise, if you are sitting at your desk all day, it's not gonna work. Don't go by that. I'm telling you, my trainer used to tell me to go that 5 meals a day, and it didn't work for me, because even though I was working out 2-3 times a week, I was sitting at my desk all day. No, you see, so it never really worked for me. So everybody is different, every lifestyle is different. You should have an idea what works for you. Some people have a higher metabolic rate than others. The sun is in my eye. I'm trying to get out of the sun. Yes, so if you're gonna have such, but definitely, like, so you have your lunch, if you want to have your lunch with a healthy starch like sweet potato, and or you can have quinoa, and you can have some chicken or fish, or if you want to have some red meat, that's okay. In the afternoon now, what I have been doing is split my lunch in 2. I eat my half of my lunch, or 3/4, and when I normally get hungry again about 3 o'clock, I eat the rest of it. That will keep me right back then until I reach home and have something right for dinner. So when you reach home now, just have some meat and some veggies. No rice at all. And you try to eat by, I would say 8, because I have to be practical. Most of us don't reach home until 7 o'clock or so. Try not to eat after 8, but ideally try not to eat after 6 or after 7. If you're doing the intermittent fasting and you decide that first meal is gonna be at 10 the next day or noon, then you can get away with eating a little later. But I think a good 12 hours between meals is good. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So for me personally, I'm definitely gonna have more veggies. So for dinner, I'm cutting out the rice, or if you really want to have, like, I should say, like a 2 tablespoon, actual tablespoon, measuring tablespoon. If you just really want to, I would call it taste up your mouth with some rice. Have those a little 2 tablespoon of rice in your, or if you can have like brown rice or so, but quinoa is ideal, and sweet potato or yam or cocoa yams or that. I have a thing I have a video on YouTube which shows you how to prepare ground provisions. So you can use like green plantain, you can fry them in coconut oil or healthy oil and crush them and have that. But still, if you're trying to lose fat, I don't think you should have too much fried foods too. Even though you must, if you want to get in your healthy fats too, it's more like avocado, even ackee, things like that. Is your healthy fats. So you can Google healthy fats and see. You get them in your nuts too, your almonds. So like you're gonna have a healthy snack, you could have like 8 almonds, 4 almonds. If you're gonna, like, one of the things which is good too, which I'm gonna be doing, is have more smoothies. You can have like what you call a keto smoothie, which is low starch, which is what we're heading for right now, low starch. You're gonna have like no oats. So if you're gonna have a smoothie in the evenings, don't put any oats in it, because you want to have it to be, I think I'm a little twisted because I'm trying to get the sun out of my eye. If you're gonna have a smoothie, don't put any in the evenings, don't put any oats in. If you're gonna have it in the mornings, like after your workout, then you can put some oats in it. Or you're gonna have it for lunch, then you can put some oats in it, right? So I'm gonna give you an example of what a keto smoothie is like. I think the person I'm waiting on is here. What a keto smoothie is like, after this I have to end the live, sorry guys. A keto smoothie means that you're not going to put any oats in it, so you can use some berries like strawberries or blueberries or any berry, no banana. Use some coconut cream, or you can use a powdered coconut cream. Add some protein powder, add a few almonds, add some water, or add your almond milk. You can add a little peanut butter too to get your healthy fats in there, and just blend that up, and that's a nice keto smoothie. Very delicious. Add a little cinnamon and that's great to go, right? You don't add any sugar or anything. The berries will be good to for that, right? To add a little sweetness to it. So guys, I have to go. I'm really at work, but I was waiting on some people. So I hope that helps. So take care, have a nice day, and anything I find to talk about more on us losing those few extra pounds, then we'll talk. Okay, have a nice day. Bye. Okay, I'm up early. I'm making a salad for lunch. I could have done this last night, but I got home pretty late from work. So I have some kale, which I've already washed, and I took out the harder part of the stems. I'm gonna add some cucumbers, tomatoes, I'm gonna add some dried cranberries. So I've had these for quite a while now, so I'm using them up. I'm gonna add some potato salad. I have the potato salad video on my channel. I will put in the number video it is when I'm putting up the video. So you don't have to put mayonnaise, but if you can put the mayonnaise on the side. Sometimes I let the beans mash a little bit, so it sort of brings it together if I don't want to use any mayonnaise on it. So instead of the mayonnaise, I'm gonna add a little coconut oil. You can add mayo, but because I'm gonna use mayo in the salad dressing too, I'm not using too much mayo. And you can add your favorite seasoning. I'm using Mrs. Stash. You can use whichever seasoning you like. You can add some parsley or anything, but remember I have to go to work, so I don't have a lot of time to get too fancy in the morning. Just a little black pepper. Mix this up. So I've made my smoothie for tomorrow. I really like to use them, make it fresh, but I mean the fruits were frozen anyway, so I'm gonna put this in the freezer tonight, so it will be frozen in the morning. So by the time I'm ready for it in the afternoon, it will be thawed, nicely thawed, but still very cool. So I'm gonna have some of my banana cake with it. I usually put them in like plastic bottles, but I decided I'm gonna be environmentally friendly, sometimes what I do too, if I'm gonna be up and down, I put like a piece of plastic wrap over the bottle and then cover it so that it doesn't leak, or use a more secure bottle, but I like this, so this is what I'm gonna be using. This is my lunch which I'm taking to work today. I should have had some veggies, but I didn't get the time to do that last night, so I like to use a glass dish because I don't like to use the microwave with plastic containers. So since I don't have my steamed veggies, here I have my pot roasted chicken breast, my pumpkin, and my boiled red plantain. So I'm gonna put some avocado in there. It's gonna be my lunch for today. I wanted to take a smoothie for my afternoon snack, but I won't have the time to make it this morning. I should have prepped it from last night, but it was a rainy evening and I reached home late because of the traffic. So we just have to do with what we have, and that's my lunch for today. So I just got home from work. I'm gonna make a green smoothie with pineapple, some kale, and some callaloo, which is like a spinach. Because I didn't have enough veggies today in my diet, so I feel like I need some veggies, so I'm just gonna put this together and blend it. Late night snack, I have a salad I bought yesterday which was supposed to be for dinner, but I had a smoothie for dinner instead, and I'm making some dressing here. I have some grapes and I have some honey roasted peanuts just to add a little protein. So that's my late night snack.